Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this MG key fob. You need a flat tip screwdriver about this size, and then also your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032s. You can get these off Amazon, they're really inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that'll take you straight there. Now on the back side of this, there's a little notch right here. Take your screwdriver, push it in there, and push and gently twist up like that. Okay, so that separates that. Now right here, there's two very delicate tabs. And what you want to do is just gently, and I do mean gently, pry right here, and then just get these separated a little bit and finish it with your screwdriver. Okay, so now you have access to your dead battery. Take out your old battery and put the new one in, positive side facing down. Take these two halves, give them a squeeze back together, and then this just slides just like that, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.